Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 Ford Transit. First thing we do, we go to Bluetooth, then we're watching out Bluetooth at the bottom, over to the system, click on phone, pair phone.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
So we're watching out at the bottom here. Ford Transit, that's it. So we'll click on Ford Transit.
Confirm that the pin displayed on sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
Which it does, 21022. So pair and yes. Allow contacts and favourites to sync.
For your safety, please
the
stay
phone
alert to
has
changing
already
road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
That's voice activated there. So automatic contact download, finish, click it properly. Sync does not have access to text messages. Well, that's all right. It never does. But that's it. So Ford Transit connected. That's it.